Oh yeah, it's a good one. It's a good one, bro. It's a good one. It's stuck in the weeds, bro.
Oh shit, there he is.
Back up, back up. Oh, he's big, bro.
Big fish. We need that net under there.
Oh, there he is. I think he's out.
He's out. Oh, he's a decent sized fish.
I'll boat flip him.
Huh?
Oh yeah, there we go. That's a good one. Alright. There's the fourth largemouth. Almost hooked myself. Go, yo. Yeah, that's probably a 3. Maybe less. A little less than a 3, but.
He's hung up in those weeds.
Got punted. Let's see, my bait's still all perfect. Nothing wrong with it. I thought I was snagged at first and I started feeling it.
What do you think? We go inside here or outside?
Probably anywhere. Probably pretty good, huh?
Yeah. We're gonna go inside that way we can look the bank on over there.
Yep. They like this shit. For real, dude. These things are the stuff that they like. That's 4 bass off of 1. That's still good. It's another nice one.
That is a nice one.
All right, bass number 5. This is probably the only 3rd one on video, but here we go. Oh, we're gonna release him.
Fish bite, they won't let go.
Is that what it says?
Should have worn my fishing shirt.
There we go. Dude, I just saw him come up and eat it. That was insane. Dude, he came up and ate it at the boat. Was that on camera? I hope I got that on camera. Holy shit. I saw the bass come and eat my bait. That's one of the coolest things ever. All right, buddy. Thank you. I was losing hope. That was sweet. Take care, brother. Thanks for joining HC Fishing. Bass. Mr. Bass.
Alright guys, so that is the first smallmouth of the 4th of July night fishing video. So My video wasn't recording, which is stupid, but we got this. Let's release her. Alright. I know. This bass is angry. Alright, so he's got toilet paper on him.
That's a nice bass, dude.
Oh man. Hopefully I could revive his eyeball. Alright, we're good. We're good, dude. Your eyeball should be fine. Alright guys, so that's Smallie number 2 on the bluegill. This is the sauce. I'm telling you what, I don't care what anyone says. This crankbait is the best. I've caught more bass on this year than any other bait.
What is the name of it, Hayden?
It's the Bull Shad, or the Square Bull 5.5 by Berkeley.
Berkeley Square Bill 5.5.
I'm not gonna tell you the color because you guys could figure out that by yourselves. It's a bluegill. Just look. All right, Des. Let me see your pliers.
Here, let's get in.
Let's I'm gonna dunk them in real quick. Keep them alive. That's a good Smallie. Oh, I feel sorry for him, dude. Kind of. I got him good in the eyeball. Real good.
Damn, dude, my ass hurts. That is sore.
Bro, that's such a nice fish, bro.
Here you go. Take it out of him. Here. Get in here.
Alright.
I'm double checking to see if...
Alright, guys. So, we got it unhooked. We're about to release her. This is probably a easy 2. It might be a little over, but just say 2-pounder. Let's let her go. Bye bye. Alright. Hell yeah, bro. This is why we came out here tonight. Oh, wow. That's a fucking crazy ass cast I just did.
It's crazy how many fireworks are still going on, dude.
Dude, I just got that onto that white fence and got it off.
Are you serious?
Yeah, dude.
That white fence up there.
Yeah, that white fence bounced off. If it would have got stuck up there, we might have been. I would have probably after that that dog, I would have went onto the property and got it. Dude, this is $12. There's a fish. There's a fish, bro.
There's the one that we missed.
There we go.
Another nice sized bass.
Woo-hoo.
Talking a pound and a half or so.
All right. That's what HD fishing is all about, guys.
What a hook set too, man. You did that great.
Oh yeah, he's hooked. Crazy. Crazy. Right in his nostril. Alright, pliers, this.
Pliers.
Thank you. Alright, so that's that. That's that. Alright guys. There is what? Bass number 4 for me.
There we go.
That's a nice one. That's probably just a pounder. Maybe a couple ounces over, but that's a good one. Let's release her. And then we got the light right here, guys. So, oh man, not recording, bro.
Oh, here we go.
All right, guys. My GoPro's not recording, so right now this is my 4th bass of the day or the night.
Let's go.
And here we go. Where's my stuff not recording, man?
Did you press record?
Dude, my batteries are dying like every fucking fucking power, dude.
You're sure that your wireless is off?
Connection's off,
For sure.
but all my batteries are dying super fast. That would have been a good hook set.
I think I might have got it on my camera.
Oh well. Oh well, that's not the only reason I come out and fish. It's because it's fun. It's not only for the videos. I mean, it is, partly. This shit's for like practice for when I'm older and I'm in tournaments, but that's where the money is. It's just fun for us to learn. Like, we could be out there in like 2 or 3 years and be experts. There we go. Des has one on.
Oh, dude, he's a good one.
And we're gonna need a net. Let's go, baby. Fuck. Alright, here we go.
Oh,
That's a walleye.
there we go.
Yeah. That's a good walleye.
What a fighter.
Alright, get that.
These bangers, they don't just,
That is what I'm talking about, baby. Woo. I thought that was the best, bro.
for a second I did too, man.
But it's more likely a walleye at night like this. I'm surprised we haven't caught more.
Here, man, I'm trying to get you out of here.
Pliers.
I really just want to get him out of this net.
Here's the pliers for you. Go back to fishing.
Yeah, get out there.
What was it, crank?
Yeah. The cash craw not only gets bass, but it gets walleye as well. Damn you.
We basically doubled up right here in this one spot.
There we go.
This is a new hot spot, bro.
Got ourselves a nice walleye, folks. We're probably talking a good 19 inches or so. He is pissed. Look at those fucking teeth. Excuse my language. All right. Arr. Angry fish. Angry. Let's let him go. All right. A little bit of a weird release, but he's gone. Let's go. I've caught. Oh, right here. Yeah! I almost fell.
Both and also 10 shots. They can fish while they're on the bank.
Have you been using your new live bait lure?
Oh, the live target?
Yeah.
I did when we were on the kayak, but no. I want to use that during the daylight and probably not this lake. A different lake. Like,
Come on, come on. Got him.
go, baby! I like that hook set, bro.
Did you like
I
that?
like that.
There we go, baby.
I love that, bro. That was probably the best hook set I've seen you do. The way you jerked it like that, bro. I'm not even lying, bro.
That was awesome. I agree with
you.
you.
Turn your whole body and jerk the rod that one way and that, like.
He was right at the boat too.
Yeah, that's some good shit. Nice job, Des.
Come here, you son of a gun.
Nice job, Des. What is that?
Fish number 3, 2 smallmouth and
A walleye.
a walleye.
Back up, back up, back up.
Oh shit. Alright, well, alright, Smalley. Thanks for joining HD Fishing. You have a great 4th of July. Yeah, that hooks up felt super good, dude.
It's the way had it on you the whole time. You're like,
Just ripped him right out of the water, too.
just look good. Look better. Look better.
I was trying to get a picture of the bait in his mouth, but he spit it out in the boat. Alright. Let's do this again, baby. Cash crawl for days. 2 smallies and a walleye on this bad boy. Order one, man. Order one today, guys. This thing works wonders. Look at that Guggen squad in the eye. That's what really calls them out. They see that Guggen squad and they're just like, "Ooh, I'm hungry. I heard that shit's really good." I'm at 3. Hayden's at 5 tonight. Right, Hayden? Am I wrong? Or do you have 4? Okay, so 3 and 4.
So think about all day. So, what are you at?
All day I'm at. I only got...
4? You're at 4?
I'm at 4 all day and Hayden's at 9 all day long.
That's what you gotta catch up.
This morning we went fishing in the potholes. And it was a pretty interesting day as far as the potholes go. Definitely nothing normal about it compared to like the times I have been going there. And Hayden just slayed him. I mean, he had like 4 topwater hits. He got 2 out of the 4. No, he had 3 topwater hits and got 1 out of the 3. And then
Threw on a super worm.
yeah, and then he throws on a bait that he's never used before. And it's a power worm. Pretty much we have a black tube with a neon curly tail at the end, and he's just slaying them. Once he put that on, it
was game over, guys.
It was game over.
There
I mean,
nothing really anyone could do
to
stop me.
You put it on and there was 5.
I was unstoppable, guys. So
Yeah.
if you guys want to fish against me, hit me up on YouTube. We'll go on a fishing tournament.
Yeah, exactly. And anybody who's watching, like, you want to meet in the middle or travel to Washington State? We're in Central Washington.
HD will travel too.
We're all down for tournaments. I mean, we'd love to tournament fish. I mean, obviously
as long as this isn't like a 2-hour radius, we'll go in there and different lakes. We like fishing different lakes.
Yeah, different lakes. We like to have fun, that's for sure. Try new shit.
But right now, this is right on this side is where I caught that bass. I seen these. Remember when I was like, all right, this is where I'm catching a bass.
Oh, this log?
This tree, dead tree hanging in the water. Must have fell in on the storm or something. But these bass, oh yeah, we still got a fireworks show going.
I know, that's what I was saying, bro. I'm so surprised. Like, those are people in the sand dunes right now just lighting shit off. And there's still some way out there too.
Hell yeah. Des got another. That's
Oh, it's a...
2-pounder? That's size, dude.
I need your help. I think he's bigger than 2 for sure. He's bigger than 2, dude. Net, quickly, please. There we go. What do you think? I think he's bigger than 2.
Oh, that's a 2.5, baby. That's probably 2.5. Let's get him out of here. That's already unhooked for you. There you go, baby.
Actually,
The Guggen. The Guggen.
really can't complain, guys. This Guggen.
Tonight has been fire. Honestly, how many bass have we caught? I caught 3 or 4. You caught 3. You're catching up, dude.
I'm at 4, bro. We're both at 4.
Oh shit! I gotta win, dude.
I just want to weigh him just because I think that
I have to. I have no choice.
all right, let's see him. Nice Smalley. I'm thinking he could be 3 pounds for sure. Let's see here.
So I guess I don't know my own strength sometimes. What was that, 2.5? Yeah.
I need to get a new clip, dude. I do not like this clip.
That's sick, bro. I love catching bass at night, dude. So
Dude.
I know that clip is not what the professionals have, huh?
Okay. No, I'm negative. Okay. Let's see here. 2 pounds. 2.95 pounds. Just shy of 3. Alrighty.
Woo! Sexy bass up in this boat, man.
Alrighty. Let's go. Thank you, Smalley. Enjoy. Happy 4th of July. Thanks for joining AC Fishing.
These guys are all nice bass, guys. Every bass
Woo!
we caught has been over 2 pounds.
Yeah, like seriously.
Almost, except for maybe 1.
And once again, folks, we caught it on the cash crawl. So excited! I got a bunch of these. So I got the ghost gill, got the sriracha crawl, got the cash crawl, and tell you what, I've had the most luck on this cash crawl so far.
Hey, let's show them what else we're catching them on real quick, guys.
Yeah. So
So besides Guggen Squad, I want to
here we go.
represent these guys.
Here we go. We got
Berkeley
the Berkeley
bull,
bait.
square bull,
Square bill. That thing, no, square bull is what they call it.
5.5.
This bluegill does the job as well. We are absolutely loving it. So let's take a quick second, and I just want to show you what I got going on here and why I like to use them. So first off, sriracha crawl, and then so my favorites. Let's start with this ghost gill, just what he told you. No, this is the Berkeley. Then we got the ghost gill jerkbait from Guggen Squad, which is another absolute killer. What? And then also this Brad bait is great. It lights up in the water. But yeah, that's the money right there. The cash crawl, sriracha crawl is great, and then the ghost gill. Just look at the thing. It looks appealing to human beings. Just think about what the bass think about it. Like, holy crap. But that's that. Just a little quick overview.